Hey guys, so today what we're going to do is try to automate the extraction of invoices from Amazon. You know that Amazon is a pain in the ass because basically you can't, they don't send the invoices from to the emails. So what we have to do is log into the platform and download them each time. So it's really a waste of time. So the first thing we need is a Get Invoice account, and then we need also our Chrome extension. This extension will basically use our logged in Amazon session and use this to download the invoices from our account and send it to Get Invoice, right? So this is my Get Invoice account. I'm going to filter by Amazon invoices. You see that I don't have Amazon invoices right now. So what I'm going to do is install the extension, and well, now it's installed, and you see the Get Invoice Chrome extension uses your Get Invoice account. So here I see my account already, but if you don't have an account, you'll have to create one. And then we have here all the portals. These are all the portals that Get Invoice supports and can download invoices from. And in this video, we're just going to check the Amazon one. You can see here that we have multiple Amazons. This is because each country has a different Amazon version, and we need to adapt our program to work with each of them. In this case, we're going to test Amazon Spain because that's where my Amazon account is from. So I'm just going to close this. I'm going to open the extension. And well, first thing I have to check the start date of my settings. This will tell our extension the date from which it has to extract invoices from. If I have an invoice from January of this year, it will just ignore it. It will just take invoices that are after this date. Okay, so I'm going to click here on Amazon, and you see that it takes me to the Amazon page. Here I don't have to do anything. What the extension will do is just download all these invoices and send them to my Get Invoice account. It's not instant. I mean, it will take a couple of minutes because it has to download them, and it also has to send them here. And what we do here is process all the invoices. So we have to extract all the text from the invoice, and we have to extract then all the information like the vendor, the amount, the date from the invoice. So sometimes it takes a couple of minutes depending on the amount of invoices that you have on your account, and obviously you have lots of them, it will take more. And this extension basically, as I said before, uses your logged in session. So if you're not logged in on Amazon, it will not work. Also, it will not automatically extract new incoming invoices. It will just extract the invoices when you click here on the extension or navigate here on the orders page. If you do one of those things, it will download the invoices, but if you don't do that, one of these two things, it won't automatically extract all new incoming invoices. So let's reload here. Let's see if we have some invoices. It seems that we do. So that's actually great. You can see here that, for example, if I clicked here, let's see, we have the invoice, and we have also all this data that we extracted from the invoice. So that's what we do with all the invoices, no matter where the invoice comes from the email or from any other portal. So you have all this data that it's ready to go where you want. Okay, so you see here this data, and well, if we go here, we see that it did extract 7 invoices, and here we see the cache, which is basically the invoices that it will not try to download again. And now that I'm thinking on this, we have more than 7 invoices here. It's probable that we already had them in our account. and it was just not showing them before. So I'm really not sure now. But well, we see that it did extract the invoices, and each time that, for example, one time every month, if I wanted to extract all my invoices, I would just go here, click on the Get Invoice extension, click on Amazon, and it would download all the new ones. On Get Invoice, we don't process duplicated invoices, though, so if you could try uploading an invoice that you already had here, or downloading invoices that you from Amazon that you already had, it will just not appear here. They won't get processed. So this is it. I hope that you found this helpful, and if you have any questions, you can ask us.